I thought Pretty Woman would go first.
I can raise that.
Yes. Sorry, no, it is tickling.
I do actually. I mean, I love you to death, but I can't regret it. I'm going to have fun things.
Ryanair up there.
Yeah, I thought.
Take your seat, thank you.
Remember it? Yeah.
A319. EasyJet special livery. The what's painted on the aircraft. So like, here we go. This is us. Well, after this EasyJet flight, one of about 35 million EasyJet flights today.
Did you get our slot when you go?
Huh?
Did you get us our slot?
Yeah.
Sorry, that
About to take off. Oh look, there it is, right behind that 777. Do you see it? Look, the Virgin one. It's in the queue. Yeah, they're flaps. They might be flaps. Yeah, the line here would have been has to be safety. Driving on the other side of the road. Flaps have been adjusted. Look at that. Look at all the wind going past. It's the worst part.
return any items which we have stowed for you, just as soon as we arrive. Please keep your mobile phone in flight mode until after our arrival, and remember that most airports don't allow you to use mobile phones or cameras in the customs and immigration hall. Please have all info flight jackets ready for collection by the cabin crew, who'll be coming through the cabin shortly. Before you leave us, remember to check around your seat and in the seat pocket to make sure you have everything with you, especially mobile telephones.
Yeah, only comes like that to,
When you are opening the overhead lockers, please be careful, as items may have moved during the flight and could fall and cause injury.
Where is that from?
We do recycle the headsets, so please do leave them on your seat for us, and if you are making a donation to the Change for Children appeal, we'll collect it at the door and say goodbye. If you have requested any kind of assistance, please stay in your seat until most of our other customers have left the aircraft. We'll then be able to help you. We do hope you've enjoyed your time on board with us today. Wherever you're going, have a safe journey, and we look forward to welcoming you back on board again with us very soon. If you do need any information to help plan your next flight, have a look at our website at virginatlantic.com or find us on Facebook or Twitter. The captain has advised me that our other flight, the earlier flight, is actually just 5 minutes behind us, and that they may be trying to reach us to the customs queue. So just be mindful of that when we're all disembarking, that there are 400
the early flight and beat them on a later one.
We'll sit past you to take care about airport staff. Thank you for choosing to fly with us, and we do apologise for the delay today. And have a wonderful time. Thank you for all the crew.